Welcome to Eki'Learning, Eki's platform designed to help build ethical and operational approaches for data and AI projects. Let's discover Eki'Learning together. First, it's important to understand that the platform and its concepts are organized into 6 families. Within each family, you will find key concepts called principles. For example, whenever you see the color red, it means we're talking about data processing performance. The orange color is linked to the human-centered project family, etc. On Eki'Learning, you will find 3 main services: the e-learning, the ethical scan, and the ethical diagnosis. To better understand the platform, we encourage you to take some time to watch the introductory video. It will help you understand what ethics in data use means and what you will find on this platform. Let's now focus on the learning modules, which are designed to help you train, raise awareness, build maturity and skills, and better understand ethical issues. These modules will help you identify ethical challenges, understand them, and gain practical keys to address the issues raised by data and AI-related projects. You will recognize the color codes corresponding to the 6 major ethical families, along with the introductory module in gray called Ethical Charter. This module presents Ekitia's ethical charter for data use, which forms the foundation of the entire platform and will help you better understand the different principles. We strongly recommend starting with this module. In total, there are 21 modules. Its module is a short course lasting between 5 to 30 minutes, designed to help you clearly grasp a specific concept. All modules follow the same structure, which we will illustrate using the Clear and Accessible Information module. As you can see, the module starts with a key question designed to get reflection on a core aspect of the principle. This is followed by a brief introduction, then an explanation of the principle drawn from Ekitia's ethical charter. It was co-constructed by experts and citizens based on European and international reference texts. The module then explores several key dimensions of the principle, delving deeper into related concepts and notions. To make these ideas easier to understand, the module includes 1 or more concrete examples of projects that raises ethical issues, sometimes leading to failure, or in other cases, helping the project evolve in a positive direction. You will also find practical recommendations to guide you in addressing these issues. These recommendations may be aimed at project managers, developers, data scientists, legal experts, or other stakeholders involved. A glossary is provided to clarify certain concepts, along with additional resources for further exploration. At the end of each module, a short quiz helps you reflect, ask the right questions, and check that you have understood the essential concepts. Now that you know how to navigate the learning modules, let's move on to the ethical scan. This tool is particularly useful if you are working on a project involving data processing. For example, if your project requires data matching, statistical analysis, task automation, or the use of AI. The ethical scan is quick and easy to use. It takes about 10 minutes to complete and consists of 11 questions designed to help you identify whether your project raises potential ethical issues or risks. These questions aim to clarify the purpose of your project, the types of data involved, and the target audience. Based on your answers, the tool highlights potential ethical issues and points of attention related to your project. In this example, we can see that several ethical issues have been identified. You may already be aware of them, or some of them may be new to you. To help you take action and address these issues, you can explore the platform's e-learning modules related to the identified challenges. As you can see, some questions appear in red. These are the ones that require particular attention as they relate directly to ethical issues that need to be addressed. For example, to improve a level on a given principle, you can follow the recommended e-learning modules. At the end of the process, you can export the results, share them with your team, and update your answers at any time. If, as in this example, your project raises several ethical issues and you are unsure whether they have been properly addressed or how to deal with them, we recommend using the third service, the ethical diagnosis. This tool assesses the ethical maturity of your project approach. The ethical diagnosis is designed for project managers who want to implement a structured ethical approach to data use throughout their project. It is a support tool that can be used at any stage of the project lifecycle. You then complete a questionnaire made up of around 30 questions organized into 7 categories, once again linked to the 6 thematic families. For each question, you have 4 levels of maturity ranging from the lowest level, where the issue has not been considered at all, to the highest level, where the topic is fully mastered. A no applicable option is always available. When you select a maturity level, the platform provides action levers to help you progress to the next level, as well as additional resources to support improvement. Some questions are labeled Focus AI. This should be answered if your project involves an AI model. They allow you to explore more specific AI-related ethical issues such as transparency or explainability. Once all sections are completed, you can access your final results, which are calculated across 4 maturity levels. Level 0 represented by an egg, Level 1 with a hatching egg, Level 2 represented by a chick, Level 3, the highest level, represented by a roster. For each section, you will find the corresponding action levers based on your level. As with the other tools, you can export your results and share them with your team. Thank you for following the tutorial and enjoy exploring Eki'Learning.